Hey everyone, welcome back. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started in the It's Biswajit vlogs, you're in the right place for the latest updates and insights. If you're trading crypto right now, especially Bitcoin or the big altcoins, this is a crucial update you don't want to miss. The market's moving fast and every decision counts. So let's talk Bitcoin. Yes, it's bouncing, but don't pop the champagne yet. There's more to the story than just a quick rally. On the weekly chart, we're seeing a solid recovery off the $101K to $102K support. Everyone's breathing a little easier. That level has been a psychological anchor for traders, and holding it is a good sign for now. But zoom out, and the picture gets a bit cloudy. The broader trend isn't as clear-cut as it might seem on the surface. The MACD? It's slowing down, showing us some clear signs of fading momentum. When momentum fades, volatility can spike unexpectedly. Historically, when this happens, Bitcoin has a habit of chilling out or even pulling back for weeks, sometimes months. It's a pattern that's played out time and again, so don't ignore it. And here's another red flag bearish divergence between price and RSI. That's a technical signal you never want to overlook. Bitcoin's price keeps climbing, but RSI just isn't keeping up. That disconnect often hints at underlying weakness. That's one of those classic warning signs, the kind I saw in late 2021, mid-2023, and early 2024. Each time, a decent correction followed. It's like deja vu for anyone who's been watching these charts for a while. Now, short-term traders, there's still hope. The market's not all doom and gloom. Bitcoin's rebounded from $101K support, and all eyes are on resistance between $106K and $107K. That's the next big hurdle. The liquidation heat map is lighting up at $107K. So if bulls break through, we could see a quick jump toward $110K, maybe even retest those all-time highs at $112K. The potential for a breakout is real, but so is the risk of rejection. But here's the catch. If Bitcoin closes below $101K on the daily, we could see it tumble down to the $96K to $98K range. That would shake out a lot of weak hands. Watch those candles closely. Let's move to Ethereum. There's a lot happening there too. ETH is basically napping in a sideways range, sitting above $2,400 support. It's been consolidating for a while now, not breaking down, but not rocketing either. It's a waiting game for ETH holders. Think of it like a coiled spring. The longer it stays compressed, the bigger the move when it finally breaks out. If ETH can break above $2,700 to $2,800, we could see a push towards the $3,200, $3,300 Fibonacci zone. That's where things could get really interesting for Ethereum bulls. Until then, it's just bouncing between support and resistance, a real playground for traders. Solana's looking solid too and deserves a closer look. It's holding strong between $143 and $146. That stability is attracting attention from both short-term and long-term investors. Unless Bitcoin drags everything down, Solana looks ready for a short-term bounce. The setup is there for a quick move. On the 8-hour chart, I'm seeing a bullish divergence, so the worst might be over for now. That's a positive sign for anyone holding SOL. But if support fails, next stop is $133, and then $124. Now XRP, let's see what's happening there. It gave us a heart attack, but it managed to close back above $2.10, $2.15 support. That quick recovery was a relief for a lot of traders. That drop looks more like a fake out than a true breakdown. Sometimes the market just likes to shake people out before the real move. On the 8-hour chart, there's also a bullish divergence. That's a good sign for a potential reversal. Resistance sits at $2.20, $2.25, and $2.36. Those are the levels to watch if you're trading XRP. If XRP keeps building momentum, a breakout could be just around the corner. Keep your alerts set. Chainlink's another one to watch. It's been quietly setting up for a move, bouncing from $12.80 support. Hold that level, and we could be looking at $14.10, maybe even $15. The risk-reward here is pretty attractive, but break $12.80, and there's nothing stopping it from sliding to $12.20, or even $10. Manage your risk accordingly. So how am I playing this? Let me break down my approach for you. Despite the warnings on higher time frames, I'm still holding my long from $88K. My conviction hasn't changed yet. As long as Bitcoin doesn't close below $101K on the daily, I'm staying put. That's my line in the sand. Plus, negative funding rates mean I'm actually getting paid to hold my long, even if Bitcoin just chops sideways, mono. It's a rare opportunity for patient traders. If you're trading, focus on the key levels and watch those divergent signals. They can be the difference between catching a move and getting caught off guard. And if you're just holding, stay sharp. The market can turn quickly, and you want to be ready for anything. The next big move might come sooner than anyone expects. Don't let complacency catch you off guard. If this update helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the other videos on trading sideways markets and breakouts. Your support means a lot and helps us keep bringing you timely crypto insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Stay safe, stay smart, and happy trading.